In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change postage on Vinted. If you need to update your shipping or postage details on Vinted, this process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change quickly and avoid any confusion while updating your account settings. To begin, go to the Vinted website. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This will open your account menu, where you can access the settings related to your profile and selling preferences. From that menu, click on Settings. This is the section where Vinted stores your account options, including profile information, account preferences, and shipping details. If you're changing postage because you've moved, want to use a different shipping location, or simply need to correct an existing address, this is the right place to do it. Inside Settings, find and click on the Shipping or Postage section. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your region or the version of Vinted you're using, but it should be the option related to delivery, postage, or shipping information. Once you're in the shipping settings, click on the postage or address option shown on the page. This is where you can review the current details connected to your account and make the necessary changes. Take a moment here to make sure you're editing the correct field, especially if there are multiple shipping-related options available. Next, enter your updated address information. Be careful to type everything accurately, including street details, city, postal code, and any other required fields. A small mistake in this section could affect shipping labels or delivery accuracy later, so it's worth double-checking before moving on. After you've entered the new address, click Save Address to confirm the update. This will store your new shipping or postage information in your Vinted account. Once saved, it's a good idea to quickly review the page and make sure the updated address appears correctly. That way you can be confident that your future sales and shipments will use the right details. And that's it. That's how to change postage on Vinted. As a quick tip, whenever you update shipping information on any selling platform, always verify that the saved address matches the place you want parcels sent from or associated with your account. It can save time and help prevent delivery issues later on.